In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your organization account on the Mawqoot platform. Step 1. Add employees. Once your organization account is created, start by adding employee data so they can access the app and web platform. From the sidebar, click Organization, then Employees. You can add a single employee or multiple employees at once. To add an individual employee, click Add Single Employee, then enter the personal details, such as name and email. You can assign the role as admin, supervisor, or employee, set the personal leave balance, and enter salary details, such as fixed or hourly-based salary. You can configure attendance settings and control fingerprint and geolocation verification. You can also upload employee documents, such as contract and ID, and enable expiry reminders. Click on Save button when done. To add multiple employees, click Add Bulk Employees, then download the template and fill in the employee's data. Make sure to follow the instructions outlined in the page carefully, then upload the file. The system will send each employee their username and password via email. They can then download the app and start recording attendance. Step 2. Add workplaces. You can add multiple workplaces, such as offices, stores, or warehouses, where employees can record attendance. From the sidebar, click Organization, Workplaces, then Add Workplace. Enter the workplace name, select its location on the map, and set the radius. You can assign a manager to view attendance reports for this location. You can also enable periodic tracking to send app notifications prompting employees to confirm their presence at regular intervals. After entering the details, click Save and Assign Employees. From the assignment page, you can assign employees individually by clicking on the name, or all at once by clicking on arrows. Once assigned, employees can only record attendance from their designated workplace. Unassigned employees can record attendance from any location, and their location will be logged in the attendance records. Step 3. Add work times. You can create multiple work times and assign employees accordingly. From the sidebar, click Organization, Work Times, then Add Work Time. Enter a name and choose a type. Fixed work time has defined start and end times. Flexible work time allows employees to complete required hours at any time during the day. Select workdays, then review the additional settings for selecting specific weeks, controlling break options, and configuring overtime calculations. Click Save when finished. To view work times on a calendar, click Calendar at the top. After creating a work time, click Assign Employees next to it. From the assignment page, assign employees individually or all at once. Once saved, employees can only record attendance during their assigned work times. Unassigned employees can record attendance at any time. Step 4. Enable offense detection. You can activate detecting late arrivals, early departures, and absences, and set deduction rules. From the sidebar, click Offenses Rules. Read the instructions carefully, then configure each offense type by clicking on the Edit button. After finishing, make sure to enable the rule and save. The system will automatically detect offenses and notify employees via the app. You will be able to view detailed employees' offenses report, and deductions will be reflected in payroll. That completes the basic setup for your organization, where we have covered the key steps to help you get the most out of the Mawqoot platform.